What we do here is try to make sure that our programs are for everyone, and regardless of where, what side of McKinney you live in, but we don't want to exclude anyone. So here at Oat Cellars, we're big on, like I said, creating experience, but also culture. My name is Lauren Woodson. I am the Assistant Center Supervisor here at Oat Cellars. Where we're actually sitting right now used to be an outdoor pavilion that we enclosed, and in this space we now have a nice lobby area. We have 2 pool tables, foosball, and we have a nice fitness workout area. We also have a big community room that's behind me that can function as 1 big room or 2 rooms, and we have a lot of our classes in there like yoga, Zumba, hip hop. Right now we have our after school program that's very popular. We have that through the school year.
Like cat lady, all right.
As well as open gym times, definitely the workout room, and we also have a lot of different special events going to be taking place. So we'll have an outdoor movie night that will be outside our pavilion that's new, and in the future we just plan to have like dances and more concerts. We're located in an up-and-coming area because Town Hall is going to be being built near us, as well as Tubbs Brewery is going to have a new site that's near us. So we're going through a growth, which is nice. We are excited about that because it gives us the opportunity to kind of shine over here, and as well as increase our memberships. With Town Hall being closer, that means we'll have more city employees coming here utilizing our facility as well as their family. So we kind of see ourselves as bridging the gap and where we're just creating unity. Our facility is kind of like a diamond in the rough. Having the aquatic center near us, and that's going to be getting upgraded, as well as our whole parks ground. It makes people very excited, and they're happy that, McKinney is investing on this side of town.